Enabling zoom on your iPhone 16 helps users with visual impairments by providing a magnified view of the screen content for better visibility and accessibility. Here's how to manage this setting and start zooming your iPhone screen in or out. First, swipe up from the bottom to return to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Once you're in the accessibility settings, find and tap on zoom. Finally, toggle the zoom switch to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, you'll need to double tap with 3 fingers to zoom the screen in or out. You'll also need to use 3 fingers to drag and pan around the screen when zoomed in. Just be sure to double tap quickly for the zoom function to work properly. And that's how you zoom your iPhone 16 screen in or out. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this one.